What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. So today is going to be on, well, same day if you see the fuel pump, but like I said, I'm just going to do it in little steps. But I'm going to be doing the EGR block off plate and start putting the intake on. So I'm going to show you guys what to do when you want to do your EGR block off. Let's go. So this is your EGR right here. Take this off. The little nozzle they come with the block off plate, you put it on there, and it's where you put it for the turbo one, for the coolant line for the turbo. And then your full block off plate should come with a little gasket that so you can block this little part off. Then if you're not replacing your intake manifold, there's a little bung that blocks off the little opening at the bottom. But since we're doing the whole full intake too, so you don't need that bung. Just need the gasket for this, and we had the block off for this. So it should be, I think, 3 bolts. Look like it's look like 3 10s. Take that off. Take that off. Then you put the block off plate on there, and then blow everything back up. You put the coolant hose, and yeah, that's it. Simple. Of course, you gotta take off your battery, the intake, stuff like that off, so you can get to it. So I'm gonna do that and get back to you guys. So here's the block off. That's what you guys will get. You guys will, so if you do a full block off kit, it will get this, the nozzle, 2 new bolts, and you get the plate to cover this up, and the bung that covers the intake. But if you're doing a JMF, you don't need that bung. I mean, you still won't buy the full kit, but you won't need that bung because you're replacing the intake out with that. So you loosen the 2 10s. It's 2 10s. Coolant will come out, so just be aware of that. And you just take those 2 10s off. The EGR will come off. Take it off from the hose. You put this block off plate on there, tighten it up, then be good to go. So that's what I'm gonna do right now. Take it off. I'll get back to you guys. I would show just me recording taking the thing off, but I don't have my tripod right now, so that's why I'm saying like I show you guys when I take them off. But that's what it is. You just take off 2 10s that come off, then take the hose off from right here, take that off, then put it on here. So I'll get back to you guys when I've done that. And there you go, EGR valve delete, block off plate is on. So this hose, what you want to do is, because it's kind of like a kink. It's not. It looks kink, but it's not. But you want to take that off from here and here from the EGR and flip the hose around, and it keeps it even. Whereas it's not kinked. So just do that, then you'll be good. Then bolt everything back up. Comes with 2 new bolts or 12s. So next step is, well, you gotta take this off, put the little plate, but we're gonna rig something up, like get some metal, aluminum for now, and make a little gasket from it for now until the other plate comes in, because you gotta take this off the intake to get the new one on. So this is all done. So now next step is taking off the intake. So get back to you guys on that. So take off this little plate. There's 4 bolts. There's 4 10s. You can, once you take that off, you pull it off. Then there's other bolts behind it you can get off. So let's see. There you go. There's a 10 right there. There's a 10 back under here. There you go, right there. This one. There's one way at the bottom, the other ones you can see. Once you do that, you can take off the intake. Then you gotta take off this right here. I'll screw that off. You'll be able to take off the intake off. So I'm gonna do that and get back to you guys. And there you go. So the intake manifold's off, it's right here. Like I said, it's the fuel bolts. Bolt right here. Bolt it's 10, 10, 10, 10. 10, and there's a 10 down there that goes behind. It's behind here. Oh, right here. 10 right there. Once you do that, and this one his was stripped, but I'll manage to snake it out. But that's how you do it. And you take off the PCV thing, hose right here, off from the PCV from the bottom. Take that off, and then good to go. So now put the new JMF intake on. So I'm gonna put it on, and well, first, so when you do, we gotta take off the fuel pressure sensor, because when you put the JF one, it won't fit. So you have to put the little connector, where's it at? This right here. This thing right here, you put that on there so it's sending sideways so it can fit. So I'll show you guys when it's on there. So I'm gonna get to it right now and come back to you guys. That's what you do with the pressure sensor. Just put this adapter so it can face down like that. So it has to be enough room for the JMF tech. That's it. And then now we can put the tick back on and let's go from there. So just reverse, just do it reverse. And the throttle body, I think it says you have to put the connectors going facing up because I guess for clearance purposes. So I'll show you guys when I get to that point. So you put all the fittings on for the side, and then you get the, where is it? Oh, right here. So it has a map sensor adapter. You go like this. That's how you do it. Do it like that. You hook up to one of the connectors on that. So you connect it and you just zip tie it somewhere so it doesn't dangle or be hitting something. That's what it says on the instructions. Then you gotta get like 4 or 5 hoses, because you know the little lines, these lines for the intake like this. The JMF intake manifold doesn't have it, so they make hoses. So you have to put one for your boost or for your brake booster, just for your bypass valve, and your other little connectors. He has it for that one, tee off to his boost controller. You have it going like this, a line right here going to that. Then your little guy right here, this guy right here, you guys know it, all Mazda has this. Take off that little look like that little thing right there. Take it off from there, put the hose right there. Then this goes to the bigger one, which you guys see right here. Then you just put the shape, you just cut the size of the length you want, and then once you do that, so you gotta take off your dipstick, because you got to take off the dipstick to put the intake manifold on first, then put the dipstick on the little slot that's in the middle behind. So I'm gonna do all that, then I come back to you guys and show you what it looks like. And like that, you set up it like this, all your air source, set it like that. Then the last one is the big one that goes right there. This is for to put this in, but I have it long like this because I want to cut it to where I want to set it to zip tie where it's at. So now I'm just going to put the big one on there, then I'm going to start putting the intake manifold on. So I'm going to do that, then I'll come back to you guys. And there you go, guys. It's on, everything's on. So throttle body, you have to flip it over to this, showing this like that, because clearance issues. But other than that, there you go. That's how you install the intake manifold for JMF. So I'm gonna just start mocking the lines. He got some fuel lines to go to the stock area, but he has rebuilt the E85 high pressure pump rebuild kit for Core Sport, so I'm gonna do that before I put everything back on. But I still have to do the connectors, and we have to reroute. So he has the connectors for the injectors already, but these clips right here, the connectors, they're not for those injectors. So, but it came with new connectors, so now I have to try to pin these, and so I can repin them and put them back on, or so we can connect the injectors from there. But that's how you do it, guys. Thanks for watching. Comment below what you guys think about this video. Like, subscribe if you haven't.